Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Monopolistic competition questions can be tricky, but we will solve this short-run equilibrium problem together in just a few quick and easy steps. Let's go! In a monopolistically competitive market, every firm faces a downward-sloping demand curve because their products are unique. This means they have some market power to set their own specific prices. Because the demand curve slopes downward, the marginal revenue for any additional units sold must always be lower than the price. You have to lower prices to sell more units. At the profit-maximizing equilibrium, where marginal revenue equals marginal cost, the price remains higher than marginal revenue. That makes option C our final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given info and check your steps.